Most trailers now have a coupling like this. Some Alco couplings, all Knott, all Bradley and in suspension are currently like this. It is an over-centre handbrake where you pull the handbrake on and there's a large spring that then operates the handbrake. This is showing how to do a quick check of adjustment and how to adjust it. This trailer is currently out of adjustment. The way to tell it's out of adjustment is the handbrake travel. The handbrake should stop at 90 degrees to the frame at the bottom part, so this and this should be 90 degrees. When it's out of adjustment, the handbrake will come back further. Before anything is touched on the handbrake, it's good practice to go through and check all the brakes, make sure that the wheels themselves are correctly adjusted, and to make sure all the brake cables are free and working correctly. This is shown in other videos because there are Knott brakes and Alco brakes. Once you've gone through and adjusted all the actual wheels and made sure the brake cables are free, the final adjustment is always carried out on the handbrake. It's good practice to slacken the handbrake off to do the wheels because this stops the expander being open. Once this is done, you then work forward to the coupling, and the main rod has a clevis where it fastens to the back of the trailer. It's simply a 17mm spanner to loosen the nut on the back of the clevis, which is in this area below the coupling, and then rotate the threaded bar, taking up slack until there is no movement. Apply the handbrake, then let it off again and readjust until you get this part to sit at 90 degrees to the frame. Like so. Once this is set up in that position, the main braking system will work correctly and catch the brakes without putting excess load on the damper, and the handbrake will also work with the auto reverse system and take any slack up as the brakes shrink. Once this has been done, lock the nut off on the threaded bar. Like so. And do one final check. It is also good practice to have all four wheels on the ground and move the trailer backwards. That's it. Once the auto reverse system has kicked in, the handbrake travels up to this higher area, taking up any slack and stopping it dead. If you can push the trailer backwards and the handbrake doesn't come up, there's something wrong with the auto reverse system. And if you push it backwards, the handbrake does come up or comes up further than this and it doesn't catch the brakes, again it needs adjusting again.